Righty-ho, parts have arrived. New wheel bearings and seals, some fork oil left over from the other bike, a new seat cover. I'd normally have a local guy do them, but when I sort of go for the factory look with the Honda written down the side, I'll go for one of these. New brake shoes. Stripped the forks down and cleaned the ever-loving crap out of them. New kit there. The old ones were quite bad. Yeah, should be good. And a new air cleaner. And I can't remember the brand of that link kit, but it was a lot cheaper than the All Balls one. And then I had to buy the All Balls swing arm kit. But yeah, some of these bushes were quite nasty. And this kit here for the headset I got off AliExpress for like 25 bucks. So we'll see how good that goes. Painted a few bits. Painted the swing arm. Forks obviously. Yeah. You can sort of see the difference between the old and the polished up tank cover. Oh, I'm tripping over stuff. And new chain and sprocket kit. And to push the seals in, or the bushes, I just use a piece of high tensile threaded rod and some coupling nuts. These have done quite a fair bit of work, but they're as cheap as, and you're not bashing things and breaking things with a hammer. And I spun those up, I think that was for my TTR 250, to press the bushes into the right depth. But yeah, I'll just use them as flat ones. But yes, so a few nights throwing all this stuff together, and yeah, she should be good. Fingers crossed. Another thing I got to do something with is this drift style steering, because yeah, there ain't no stopping. That's right, I'll weld something up and then make sure it works, and then I'll bash the bearings out and put the new ones in, and she should be all good. Alrighty, into it.